Hey guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I purchased this embroidery design from embroiderydesigns.com, and this is the layout. It's Betty Boop. So the product is Betty Boop Singer, and the width and the height is a 2 by 3.15 inches. We're going to use this in a format, a DST file. And the total stitch count is going to be 7,796. Alright, so I'm going to take this design, we're going to embroider it on some kitchen towels for Mother's Day, and we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, so we have the design in Chroma Plus, and we're going to select the colors. So I opened up the PDF file, and I'm just going to drag it to my other computer, and we're going to change the colors. So the first color is number 1, and they want it to be a light peach. So we're going to type in peach here. And there it is right there. I don't know if I have peach as far as my threads, but I hope I have something close. So we'll see what we're going to do. Okay, second color they're asking for red, so 1147. You know, and I'm just curious to see if I can just type in 1147 if it's going to give me the color. Oh yeah, it is. Wow, so it's a Christmas red, it's called. Okay. Second color is going to be your standard white, which is number 3. I'm sorry. Third color is going to be a standard white, and we're just going to type in 1001, and it didn't find it, so we'll just type in white. Or maybe it did. Let's see. Oh, that's it right there. Okay, I did not see it. Okay. Alright, fourth color is going to be medium gold, 1225. So we're going to type in 1225, and it found it right there. We're going to click OK. Fifth color is going to be green. So and that number is going to be 1051. Hit enter. And sixth color is going to be a dark silver, which is going to be number 6. We click on this. That's going to be 1012. Click that, and I can see she's starting to come out just like the picture. And number 7 is going to be 1000. This is going to be black. All right, and number 8 is going to be 1001 for white. So I think I only have one style of white, so we'll just use just the same white that I got. And then lastly, number 9 is going to be a dark red, so that's going to be 1381. All right, look at how the picture looks. So that's the way the image is going to be. So we're going to go ahead and print this off, and we're going to go. All right guys, so that's the way the image is supposed to look. So let's go ahead and take this to the embroidery machine, and let's get this set up. But first, I want to make sure if it's going to be, if I have a hoop for it, and it looks like the width is going to be 2 inches and the height is 3.15. So we're good. It's going to be a small image, and it should look great. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's see. I don't think this is going to work, guys. So we're going to have to cut it. I'm sorry. We're going to have to cut this. I want it to come out nice, and I don't want it crooked. So, all right. So let's go ahead and open this up, and we're going to put it right in the center, right there. Okay. And what I'm going to have to do is get some tearaway. Not tearaway. We're going to use this embroidery stabilizer. It's a cutaway white, 2.5 ounce, And we're going to use this one, okay? So it's an 8x8, and here it is. So we'll get ready, get set up with the mighty hoop. All right, here's the mighty hoop. I love this thing, man. This thing's awesome. All right, so what we do here is very simple. We just put our magnetic device in this little slot here. Put this just like that. And then we just close these flaps. So let's, okay. And then once we're done with that, you got a little crooked here. Saw a piece of hair, had to get rid of that. All right, then once we're done with that, we're gonna put our towel in here. Okay. We want to make sure that it's nice and centered. And I want her to be right in the center, so we're gonna do that. Do we have it kind of centered? Yeah, we do. I got this line against this. Perfect. Okay. Show you how simple this is. And these things are pretty magnetic. All right. Now all you do is just press. And voila, we're ready to go. All right, so I'm going to set the colors up, and we're going to go from here. So just move all this stuff out of the way. And we're going to get these colors. But first, we'll go ahead and clear out the machine from the last embroidery. So we're going to deselect it. Go back to, we're going to go back to the iPad. We're going to go to machine. We're going to delete this. Okay. We're going to go back to USB now. We're going to select our Betty Boop. And we're going to hit save. Throw it into a folder. And then we're going to go back to machine. Find Betty. And then hit the check mark. And that's it. We're done. Okay, so you see how she's off to the left? We want to fix that, so we're just going to bring her centered. We're going to center her in the middle. Oops. And one thing that I just forgot is, I don't know if I have it set up for hoops. I'm pretty sure I do. We'll just double check. Let's go to, yeah, I have it selected. You see how it's highlighted in blue a little bit, if you can see that? There, you see that? Okay, so it's selected. All right, guys, so I already did the test run. It came out good, so let's go ahead and do the final product, and let's see how this turns out. All right, we're just gonna do some touch-ups real quick. Pull this up so y'all can see. Giving her a haircut. Look at the eyebrows. I mean the eyelashes. Check that out, man. It looks really sharp. Really sharp. So this is a Mother's Day gift for my mom. She's a Betty Boop fan. She loves Betty Boop. Hope she likes this one. And I made 2 other designs that I'm going to show you in a little bit. But Mom, happy Mother's Day. I love you. You've been a great mom to me. And you've been the best ever. I really appreciate everything that you've done. So, hope you like this one. All these designs are made from embroiderydesigns.com. And this is also made from the Ricoma 2002 machine. So I'm just going to flip the camera around so you guys can see. It's a double head Ricoma embroidery system. And so far, it's been a learning curve for me, but I'm slowly starting to get it and understand it and make a check sheet for all the mistakes that you can make if you don't pay attention to what you're doing. I know this thing's gonna make me a ton of money. I just can't wait till I feel confident and I'm ready and able to get myself up and running. So hope y'all like this video again, and thanks for watching. Peace out.
Unlock your shop.